Greg Udelhoven with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm here at World of Asphalt. I'm with David Elam. He's from Chemtech, and we're here to talk about the NeSilex product, which really helps suppress the silica dust issue. So tell us a little bit about that, the development, and how that's working.
As you know, the silica rule went into effect in the construction side in September,
right,
and it will go into effect in June for the plant side.
Right.
So all crushing plants, quarries, milling plants, everybody that has asphalt plants, they're all going to have to adhere to the OSHA regulations. So what we did is we developed a dust suppressant that mixes 400 to 1 with water, and that goes into the water tanks for milling, for sweeping, for crushing, for mining applications like rock quarries. And what it does is it causes the water to be wetter, and it causes the dust to coagulate together and settle out.
So it knocks that dust down right away.
It knocks the dust down right away. And we're showing two products here at the show at this time, our Pave Pro biodegradable asphalt solvent, and our newest in the line of products that solve problems, the NeSilex dust suppressant product.
Well, let's see how that works.
This demonstration demonstrates the power of NeSilex at a very small amount, at a very large dilution ratio, as you can see. This is carbon dust. It represents the silica dust. I'm going to put a little bit on the water. This is just pure water in there. You can see that the dust just stays right there because the water tension is so high, it prevents the water from encapsulating the dust. But with just one drop of NeSilex on top, it immediately reduces the water tension on the dust so it falls to the ground. And that's exactly what NeSilex does when sprayed in applications for the industrial usage.
Very good.